If you spend time on the water, you already know that not every smartwatch is built for the marine life. Salt waves, bright sunlight, and the long days demand something more serious. That's exactly where Garmin's Quatix lineup comes in. The Garmin Quatix 8 Pro is the latest and the most advanced marine smartwatch from the Garmin. It's designed for the sailors, boat owners, and outdoor users who want a strong navigation tools, reliable safety features, and a smart function in all one device. So in this video, I will break down what the Quatix 8 Pro offers, how it performs in real life, and who this watch is really made for. So welcome to Smartwatch Radar. Let's get started. Design and display. The Quatix 8 Pro looks and feels like the serious tools. The build is rugged, solid, and clearly designed for tough environments. The case feels durable and the buttons are easy to use even when your hands are wet or when you are wearing the gloves. The display is one of its strongest points. It's bright, sharp, and easy to read direct in sunlight, which is extremely important on the water. Whether you are checking navigation data, wind conditions, or workout stats, everything is clear at a quick glance. So what about connectivity and communication? One of the biggest upgrades with the Quatix 8 Pro is how connected it feels. This watch is designed to work even when your phone is not nearby. You can send messages, make calls, and use safety features directly from your wrist when network coverage is available. For people who go offshore, sail long distances, or spend time in remote areas, this adds a huge layer of confidence. Being able to stay connected or call for help without relying on your phone can make a real difference in emergencies. Marine and boating features. This is where the Quatix 8 Pro really shines. The watch offers deep marine tools that are built specifically for boating and sailing. You can view tide and the wind information, control autopilot system, and access important boat data right on your wrist. The marine-focused interface makes it easy to switch into boating mode and see only the information that matters when you are on the water. Everything feels organized and practical rather than the overwhelming. Navigation and GPS performance. Navigation on the Quatix 8 Pro is smooth and reliable. GPS tracking is accurate and routes load quickly. Having maps and navigation data on your wrist is extremely useful when moving between marines, navigation channels, or keeping track of your course during long trips. For outdoor use beyond boating, it also works well for the hiking, walking, and other activities, making it a versatile watch even when you are not on the water. Health and fitness tracking. Despite being marine-focused watch, the Quatix 8 Pro does not ignore everyday health tracking. It monitors heart rate, sleep stress levels, and daily activity reliably. Workout tracking is strong, covering a wide range of sports and fitness activity. If you wear it daily, it gives useful insights into your overall health and the recovery, not just your time on the boat. Battery life and daily use. Battery life is on the Quatix 8 Pro is solid for watch with this many features. In normal smartwatch use, it lasts several days. However, heavy use of navigation, maps, or the communication features will reduce battery life faster. This is the trade-off for having a brighter display and advanced connectivity. It's not the longest lasting Garmin watch, but it's reasonable for what it offers. What is the Quatix 8 Pro for? The Garmin Quatix 8 Pro is best suited for the people who spend serious time on the water and want more than just basic tracking. If you value marine tools, navigation safety features, and phone-free communication, this watch makes a lot of sense. For casual users or those who don't need advanced marine or connectivity features, simpler Garmin models may offer better battery life and lower cost. Final thoughts. The Garmin Quatix 8 Pro feels like the next generation marine smartwatch. It combines rugged design, strong boating tools, advanced connectivity, and solid health tracking into one premium device. It's not designed for everyone, but for sailors, boat owners, and outdoor enthusiasts who want reliability and safety on the water. It's one of the most capable options Garmin has ever made. So if this video helped you understand whether the Quatix 8 Pro is right for you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Smartwatch Radar, and check the descriptions for the latest deals and links. I'll see you in the next one.